Welcome to 90-second NIKKOR. This time the NIKKOR Z 70-180mm f2.8. A compact telephoto zoom which offers huge creative possibility, this lens is the third and the longest in the lower cost f2.8 trinity from NIKKOR. Light, compact and flexible, this lens gives you reach without the weight and size of many other telephoto lenses. It's just at home for beautiful landscapes as it is with intimate portraits. And you can even leave the tripod at home. Add a teleconverter and you can extend the reach of the lens up to 360mm, perfect for wildlife or sports. And you'll also get near life-size magnification for macro style shots. The constant aperture means that you can set your shutter speed and aperture and operate anywhere in the zoom range from 70-180mm without affecting exposure. Wide open at f2.8 you'll get beautiful creamy bokeh, making your portraits really stand out. There's a clickless customizable control ring and a zoom lock to ensure that the lens stays locked when traveling. This lens offers a great level of control, making sure that your images and videos are exactly how you want them to be. Hit the link to find out more about the NIKKOR Z 70-180mm f2.8 and get creating. And that is 90-second NIKKOR. See you next time.